Fox 5 News. This is a New York Weather Authority alert.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is a live look of Sleepy Hollow. The snow is still mixing with some rain out there, but it looks pretty slushy on the roadways out there in Westchester County as the latest winter storm continues to pound the tri-state region. Some folks are seeing a lot more snow. Some folks are seeing a lot more rain. Wind is going to be picking up as we go into the afternoon. It's going to be slippery around the entire tri-state region. Let's show you what's happening here right now. This is your live update, and this is a live look of what's happening at this point in time on Fox 5 Sky Guardian. What we have, that rain, sleet, snow line still hanging in the same location as it has been in the last hour or so. It's trying to creep to the east, but it's not making quick progress. We've got a lot of rain, even over sections of Nassau County into Suffolk County. It's rain that's coming through primarily, but it's sleet and snow as you head over to the city, up the Hudson Valley, and to the west of that, up the Hudson Valley back into New Jersey. In fact, all of New Jersey is seeing primarily snow. Let's go to Fox 5 Sky Guardian 3D and show you the progress of this storm. It's been coming through the morning hours, and it looks like we may have some drier weather that comes through here briefly later on this evening, but then eventually we're going to pull more cold air in and try and change this over to more snow around the tri-state region. Let's go to the maps now and see what we have in terms of your temperatures. Now, your temperatures have been holding steady, very close to freezing or just above through many locations like the 5 boroughs, back up to 34 degrees out at Central Park. That's the reason we have the heavy wet snow that's coming on through that core of the tri-state region. But colder temperatures you head to the northwest, so they have seen some accumulations out there, again, mainly over New Jersey. So this storm is going to continue to roll on through. Let's move you into the future and show you what's going on. More cold air being pulled down later on this evening into tonight. Past midnight, this should be changing over to more snow for many folks throughout the tri-state region, so that's when it starts to pile up. We're going to see more snow coming through tomorrow, and that will add to the snow totals out there, which so far are not that impressive, but we do expect a lot of snow. We're going to send you over to Shay Ryan right now, and it looks like this is going to be a biggie for some folks, right, Shay?
Yes, it does, especially to the west and to eventually to the north as well. We're going to start seeing the snow sticking a little more there, but so far today it's mainly been on those western suburbs of New Jersey and then also into New York State. As we get closer to that rain snow line, which again, as Mike was saying, is right on top of the 5 boroughs right now, and that's where it's just been hovering for hours this morning with just little gliding back and forth. That's where we're going to see a stark contrast between what is to the east with 4 to 8 inches and then what is to the west as you get closer to those 8 to 12 inch range. And again, we have a lot more certainty in the snow total forecast that is further to the west because of the temperatures being so much cooler there. So we'll continue to monitor this. But again, on the tip of Long Island, only about 1 to 2 inches of snow expected. And this is into tomorrow night. So this is a long range system here that we're looking at, a long duration storm. Our winds, though, still not impressive here this morning, below 10 miles per hour in most cases. They will pick up during the day and into tonight especially. We'll see those 15 to 25 mile per hour winds with gusts higher than that. Also, because of those warmer temperatures along Long Island, we do have a flood watch in effect for up to 2 inches of rain, not snow, coming down for eastern Suffolk County. Now, it's pretty to see that snow coming down, Inez, but not fun to drive in. How are the roads looking right now?
Well, you know what, Shay? Icy conditions that you guys are talking about. A lot of people are staying off the roads with all the school closures. Things aren't as bad as they could, but the conditions are really bad. Here, take a look at the New Jersey Turnpike. You can see traffic moving, no congestion really. There is a speed restriction the entire length of the turnpike of 45 miles an hour. And the same goes with the Verrazano, the Whitestone, and the Throgsneck Bridge. They're about 30 to 35 miles. If you're flying out, LaGuardia, a 4-hour delay on arrival so far, so you do want to call ahead. JFK and Newark have not posted any delays. And with mass transit, New Jersey Transit is cross-honoring tickets all day. The buses expect delays, so you want to stick with the rails. Long Island Railroad will be providing extra service between 2 and 4 p.m. So, of course, you do want to check those timetables. Mike, let's go back to you.
All right, Inez, and yes, indeed, this is going to be a messy situation for us all afternoon, but we want to see live pictures from your computer's camera. This is a live viewer camera from Newburgh, New York, up to the north, up the Hudson Valley, and looks pretty nasty out there. Looks like that heavy wet snow is sticking to some of the power lines out there, and we may see continuing problems with more power issues around the tri-state region as we go through the afternoon. So if you want to get involved with that and help us out with the viewer cameras, tell you what, go to myfoxny.com, and there is a tab where you can link up your computer and show us your live camera. If you would do so for us, we'll be showing that throughout the afternoon and into the evening as well. Now, we'll be back with another live update in 1/2 hour, and we will also be back every half hour throughout the rest of the afternoon. So stay with us here on Fox 5, and we'll give you the latest on this winter storm. Now we'll send you back to what we have right now, Judge Alex.
From Fox 5 News, this has been a New York Weather Authority alert.